Hello, Middle 3. Today we have the second lesson of Unit 2, Electric Current and Cells. In this lesson, we're going to talk about three main points. Starting with point number 1, sources of the electric current. Look, we have two sources to get electric current. The first one, electrochemical cells, batteries. Here, inside this cells, chemical energy is converted into electric energy. While the second source here is electric generator, dynamo. Inside this dynamo, mechanical energy, specifically kinetic energy, it changes into what? Electric energy. Look, here we have dry cells, batteries, to get direct electric current, while dynamo, electric generator, to get alternating current. So, what is the difference between direct and alternating current? This is point number 2. Let's move to it. Types of the electric current. We have two types, direct and alternating. Here, we have some points of comparison between them to know the difference between them. Point number 1, source. Let's start with direct electric current. Here, the source, as we said from a while, from batteries, electrochemical cells. This type of electric current, its intensity is constant. In addition, it moves in just one direction. It flows in just one direction. It's a unidirectional electric current. So as you can see here from the graph, that its intensity is constant as time passes. In addition, it flows in one direction inside the electric circuit from the positive pole of the battery to the negative pole. Let's continue the direct electric current. Look here at this figure. The direction of this electric current just from positive to negative in one direction. What about the transference? Here, direct current, it can be transferred only for short distances. So what about a change to another type? Look, direct current cannot be converted into alternating current. Uses, number 1, in electroplating process and operating some electric appliances. What about the electroplating process? As you can see here from this figure, here we have beaker, contains silver rod and a fork. We wanted to paint this fork with silver. By using this electric current, this direct electric current, silver can precipitate on the fork. You're going to study this point in chemistry senior 3 Jadwalling. So at the end, direct current DC, it's an electric current which has a constant intensity and flows in one direction only in the electric circuit. But what about the alternating one? Look, for the source, it can be generated from dynamos. What about its intensity? It's a variable. Look here at the graph, up and down, and in two directions, positive and negative. So it also has a variable direction. Look here to the figure. Look, from the source of the alternating current, it can move in two directions, in the green one and then in the opposite one, the red one. What about the transference? It can be transferred for short and long distances. In addition, it can be converted into direct current, unlike the direct current. Usages. This is the type of electric current that we can use inside our homes, factories, etc. So alternating current, AC, it's an electric current which has a variable intensity and flows in two opposite directions in the electric circuits. At the end, you can conclude that which type is more preferable? Yes, it's the alternating current because it can be transferred for long distances and it can be changed into a direct current also.